As you know, your time is money. Running a WordPress website, whether you're trying to sell your product or service online, run a membership site, or any site, takes time. What should have been a tool to help you make more money ended up becoming a full-time job. Worse, you're unable to spend your time on your actual business. Sound familiar? We're talking about the most tedious and boring tasks that it takes to run your WordPress site. Everything from the essential website maintenance, creating posts and pages for your content marketing, making sure that your site runs fast, and of course to creating a fantastic experience for your customers. The list continues to go on and on and on. That said, one of the biggest problems is that many people don't know where to start. There are thousands of WordPress plugins out there for you to choose from, but the question is, which one should you use? So we've created a 8-part video course that's going to show you how to free up your valuable time and run your WordPress site on Autopilot. So basically what we did is we took all the most boring, most tedious tasks, and we'll show you how to automate the whole process. So here's a quick video's overview of what's inside this video course. Video number 1 is the introduction. We'll talk about what you need before you get started. Video number 2, we'll talk about different automation scenarios so that you have an idea of the different tasks and boring tasks that you might run up against. So we don't really know where you are. You could be an expert, you could be a newbie. So we want to make sure that we cover all bases. Video number 3 will actually go into different types of automation. So we'll focus on website maintenance. Video number 4, we'll talk about content marketing automation. How do you go about scheduling your posts? And of course, taking that to the next level, video number 5, we'll talk about social media automation. In other words, how do you take those posts and pages and content and post them automatically on your social media sites? The truth of the matter is a lot of people have many different social media platforms, and just that alone itself ends up becoming a full-time job. Video number 6, we'll talk about e-commerce automation. In other words, if you run an e-commerce site, what are elements that you can automate within that site? What about if you run a membership site? Well, in video number 7, we'll talk about membership automation. Video number 8, which is the last video, will be about a complete automation plugin. So the difference is videos 1 through 7 cover individual plugins that focus on specific areas, whereas video number 8, we're going to be focusing on the overall arching plugins that can automate things to a whole new level. So with that said, go ahead and grab this video course now so that you can start freeing up your time and automating your WordPress site.